Let us talk about the average function. So average function, which returns the value average value of a selected column. So we have seen in the by price column, we have pulled out the maximum value, we have pulled out the minimum value. If I want to find the average of all this, so how to do that? After average, my requirement would be, if I want to sum all this by price value, so I can do that by using a sum function which returns the total sum of the value column. Okay, so let us do that in hands-on. So if I want to apply the average function here, so select, let me use a function called average, and you specify the column name. So I am want to find out the average for the by price column from products. Okay, that's it. I don't want to apply any condition for now. So let me execute this, and this is your average price. If you want, you can do aliasing by using an as. You can use this is as my average price. Let me execute this. Yeah, so the column name is average. Similarly, if you want to find the sum of that entire column, so you can do that is select sum of the column name, and from your table name, that is your products table. Let me execute this, and you can see you got sum of that entire column that comes around 5,983.47. So this is how the average function and sum function works. Thank you for watching this video, guys. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel. Keep learning.